Hi folks, this is Susie, your Candy Crush guru. It is January 20th, Wednesday, which is New Level Wednesday for Candy Crush. I'm just about to start the new map and try to beat level 1476. 1,475 levels have come before. Let's see if we can do as well on this one as we've done on some of the others. Alright, let's look at our strategies. We need to collect all orders. We need wrapped, purple, green, and that's already taken care of itself. All of these are going to turn into wrapped for us. What I'm going to do here, instead of combining this with a green, which isn't going to do much good for me, I'm going to combine two chocolate bombs together. It's going to get rid of those licorice bars, open everything up, and allow me to start collecting my wrapped candies. Now at this point in time, I'm going to look for any wrapped candies I can make. I see one here. I'm going to choose that over getting another chocolate bomb. I could make a chocolate bomb, but I'm going to get a wrapped candy. And I'm going to check again to see if I can make any more wrapped candies. As soon as I can't make a wrapped candy, let's explode a nearby square, a nearby candy, and take care of some of these other spots on the board and collect my purples and greens just by the mere fact that they're exploding around. Okay, so let's check again. See a lot of striped candies. I can make striped candies are not going to help me with this. Let's see if maybe I can turn some of the striped candies into a wrapped candy. Let me try this and see what this cascade brings, because if it can bring down an orange... Oh, close, but look, here we go. Just by making cascades, we're gonna get the benefit of getting some of these wrapped candies. Now look though, I only have 45 moves left, and I need almost 100 wrapped candies. These little flying saucers are gonna help. And automatically we're making some wrapped candies, but there's still a lot of work on our part. There are two different ways to make wrapped candies, as you probably know by now if you're playing level 1476. You can make an L or a T shape. For me, it's easier to spot the L shapes. I wish I could pause everything and get some of these combinations that I see could get me some wrapped candies. I have to wait for the cascading to stop. Okay, so now I see a wrapped candy here. Oh, hello, kitty. I have a cat joining me this morning. When I wake up early, he likes to come and inspect what I'm doing. Alright, so let's see what we can do. If I could just get this green one down one, that would set up a wrapped candy. I don't see any automatically. I could be missing something though. It's pretty early in the morning for me, and alright. Let's see if I can get another orange one to drop in here. Here we go. Here's a wrapped candy. It's up at the top. I'd like to try to get them down at the bottom. Now, in order to increase my chances of getting wrapped candies, especially automatically, I can take out one particular color, and it's going to concentrate all the other colors. Here, I'm going to stay away from the green, which would ignite this and cause maybe a little too much cascading, or the blue, which would ignite this. I'm going to go for the purple. It doesn't have any specials. It's just going to take those out and hopefully condense, make some extras. Okay, now I know I've got this key, but I'm going to go for the obvious combinations I can make for those wrapped candies before I go for the keys. Feels like there's another one out there, but I can't see it right now. I have 15 levels to get to. I can't spend all of my time. Also, I didn't check to see how many points I need. I needed 100 points to get 1 star, so obviously this was a gimme. If I can complete this mission, they don't want me to fail just on stars. But in order to reach 3 stars, I need to reach 1,000,000 points. That's going to be a little bit more difficult. Let's see, I can see one right here I can get. But I'm not as interested in points as I am in clearing this level and getting to the next. I feel like... Oh, well, let's do this. Let's take out the purples again. See if all that condensing will get us some bonus wrapped candies. We seem to be creating a lot of striped candies with that action. Okay, there's one hiding here. This is that T that I have a difficult time finding sometimes. Now, if I had seen a wrapped candy toward the top, I might have gone for that before heading toward the bottom, because everything, of course, gets kind of messed up when I make moves at the bottom. It adjusts everything at the top. Let's see. Here I'm going to take out, I don't know why I'm so fascinated. Well, actually, I'm not going to take out the purples because I'd rather ignite a striped candy than I would a wrapped candy right now, because a striped candy isn't going to do as much damage as a wrapped candy. You'll notice they've given us just a few colors to work on this board today, which means we have a better chance of achieving our goal. Again, I don't see an automatic wrapped candy. I could set this off, but what I'm going to do is create a color bomb, and it's going to automatically explode, and it's going to take out a color for me. Oh, that was a nice one. Several wrapped candies were created by this cascade. Alright, let's see. Kind of skimming over these top areas. I feel like I have morning brain, and that's the only reason I'm not able to make some of these matches. I feel like they're there and I'm missing them. Okay, let's take out the purples again. I'm really hopeful this one's going to create some candies for me. I'm a little worried that I still have almost twice as many wrapped candies I have to collect as I have turns in which to do it. Especially now that almost all of my flying saucers are gone. And sometimes it takes me 2 turns to get 1 wrapped candy. Sometimes it takes me 2 turns to fail at getting any wrapped candies. It seems strange to pass up an opportunity to get a color bomb in deference to getting these wrapped candies that I need to complete my mission. Here, wherever I move, I'm going to explode something. I'm going to go for the blues. Now I only need approximately 1 wrapped candy for every turn. So my odds are increasing. And I've got this one last flying saucer that's going to create 3 randomly placed packaged candies. Alright, let's see if I can make any here. Here we go. This should create quite a few. Alright. Oh, I know that. Oh, there we go. Sometimes I'm too impatient for my own good. If I really concentrated. Now here's one where... Oh, no, I just totally misread that. I saw that as an opportunity to cascade, hoping that it would create some magical areas for me. It didn't. But I still have pretty good odds going here. Especially because when this board is as concentrated as it is, not only do I need to create these wrapped candies, but I also need to have them detonate prior to the end of my turn. But the good news is everything is so hyper concentrated here that I have an excellent opportunity to have the detonation occur naturally, because one thing will set off another. Instead of exploding these together, I'm going to take out one color with each one. Well, except that this one's getting detonated by chance. And here we go. It looks like we're going to be able to achieve our goal. Perfect. I'm loving it. And here's our last one. We should be able to explode this. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's a particularly difficult level you'd like to see someone approach and give you strategies and tips for, please go ahead and put that in the comment section below, and I will try to help you as quickly as possible. There we go. That's level 1476, complete, using no boosters, obtaining 3 stars, and just watching the cascade party that happens below.